Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be looking at another Lego Polybag, and we're going to be doing a Lego Polybag build along. In this case, it's going to be with set 30327, and this is the Lego Duplo My First Duck Polybag. Now, I've never actually looked at anything Duplo before, and so I figured when I saw this particular polybag, I figured I had to give it a shot. And I don't know how many Duplo polybags I'm going to take a look at, but I am at least going to look at this one. And if you enjoy this kind of thing, or more serious polybags, you might want to think about subscribing, because I plan on doing these one a day for the foreseeable future. Now, let's see. These are my duck pieces. Also, if you're going to subscribe, make sure you turn on the notifications. That's that little bell thing, because, I mean, that way YouTube will notify you when I post new videos. Also, I'll include links in the description if you want to get your own My First Duck polybag. Now, I'm assuming that there aren't going to be any kids watching this, because I'm not intending it as a kids kind of thing, but any adults who want to get your kids their first duck, I'll include links. Also, I'll include a link to Brickset, where you can find information on this kind of thing. Alright, so first of all, I'm a little disappointed that there are no instructions on how to put together our duck. So, unfair. Alright. Let's see. I guess you're just supposed to look at the package. So, duck piece number 1, duck piece number 2, duck piece number 3, duck piece number 4. Oop, that's not there. That would be a duck that didn't turn out so well. Alright. So, it looks like I sorted out the My First Duck thing. Apparently, though, we get options. So, in addition to this one, we could try... Can I see that okay? There's a bunch of glare. I don't know what that is. I kind of feel like I need to make that one, though. What do you think it is? Is it like a... I don't know. I don't even have a clue what this would be. But it's got the swooshed back hair. Alright, let's try this. So, we keep this aspect of it. And then we give it the hair. We got that. And then like so, and like so, and like so. So, is this also a duck? I kind of don't think it is. That looks like a duck, but we discard a couple of pieces. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just a 4-piece duck? I guess we're doing like the minimalist duck. Like so. Actually, that's kind of a good looking duck. And that is a duck hanging out. Let's see. So we got that, and we got this, and then, so, oh no. So our duck is going to be like that, and like this, and like this. Alright, that kind of looks like a Minecraft duck. I don't know. That is interesting. Alright, so I'm not probably going to be a convert to Duplo myself, but I do see, I feel like it's not bad. I think had I been little at the time when Duplo were, you know, if I'd been age appropriate for Duplo, I would have been down for Duplo. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if there are any polybags you think I should check out, please let me know in the comments. And I will return to more small-scale sets after today for a while. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.